Hello guys, my name is Eduardo Lopez, a student of Phonetics and Phonology of Licenciatura en Inglés como Lengua Extranjera in the UNAD. In this opportunity, I would like to explain to you the three symbols I chose of the International Phonetic Alphabet. These are the consonants, and the b, d are voiced sounds. We can say this because we're going to feel a vibration in our throats. You make the sound with the vocal cords. P is an unvoiced sound. This is because only the air passes through the mouth. There is no vibration. All three of these sounds are stop consonant sounds because there is a stop of the airflow and then a release. The place and the manner of articulation for p are bilabial, and for t is alveolar. Bilabials or bilabial consonants are a type of sound of the group of labial consonants that are made with both lips and by partially stopping the air coming from the mouth when the sound is pronounced. An alveolar consonant is articulated with the tongue against or close to the superior alveolar ridge or sockets of the superior teeth. Here we can see p being bilabial because of the position of the lips, t alveolar because of the position of the tongue. Here I have some symbols in the sentences. The big puppy barks loud. The boy was happy digging in the sand. Bob should stop at the bank to make a deposit. We ate purple blueberry pie at the dinner that is on Dime Street. Now let's do a repetition exercise, please, with sound, bring, bubble, boy, lab, rob, bicycle, best, big, buy. Now with the p sound, spot, rip, piece, up, jump, pop, tip, pray, paper, repeat. And with the d sound, do, diamond, sound, sad, sand, day, dig, dog, loud, deck. Now side-by-side exercise. Cub, cup, dud. Back, pack, duck. Bit, pit, did. Bay, pay, day, bear, pair, there. Guys, these are the references that I used for my video. Thank you so much.